Welcome guys, so today I am with the latest Samsung Galaxy F13 and I want to show you 5 camera tips for this device. So take a look how great features we can find in this phone. And first I'm gonna show you how you can enable additional zoom presets. So as you can see, we got right now the ultra wide lens, 1x, 2x, but as you can see, when you keep tapping, we'll get also 4x and 10x. And as you can see in this smartphone, we can zoom in to the 10 times. And also when you pinch screen like that, we'll get this additional slider. And with this slider, we can smoothly zoom in and zoom out. That's a great feature. Another tip will be about the brightness adjustment on the photos and videos. So when you tap on the screen and then move this sun icon to the right or the left, you can quickly adjust the brightness level. So you don't have to use this additional pro mode. You can make it straight in your basic modes like photo, for example. Another tip will be about this hidden feature of the shutter. So as you can see, when you drag like that, we can add shutter, for example, like that. And as you can see, we can get it, for example, like that, and we can take photos. So it's useful when you hold the phone with your one hand and just keep tapping. Okay, we can also turn it off by dragging at the bottom. Right now I'm gonna show you how to get mark on your photos. So we can open the settings, then you have to scroll down and go for the watermark, enable it. And right now when you take photo, at the bottom we'll find that the photo was taken on the Samsung Galaxy F13 with the triple camera. So you can change this information for sure. You can go right here. You can open the watermark and you can change it, for example, your own signature. So I'm gonna tap here, just hard reset. Click done, take photo, and as you can see right now, the photo was taken by hard reset. And the last tip will be about this hidden additional 50 megapixel mode. It's right here. So this mode gives us definitely more details on the photos. Take a look. And right now when you open this photo and zoom in like that, you will spot definitely more details than the normal photo mode with the 4:3 aspect ratio. Okay, so that's all for this Samsung Galaxy F13. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.